Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to Simplicity in Peak channel. I am so excited, and that is why I am using this medium to say thank you for all your support and encouragement to make sure that Simplicity in Peak channel gets up to this level. Trust me, I am grateful. Now, let us begin. There is a man, and this man lost everything that he ever had. He lost his job, he lost his relationship, and even his confidence. And so every morning when this man wakes up, he will ask himself this question: when will something meaningful start to happen in my life again? And so this becomes this man's daily routine. For days now turned into weeks, and then weeks now turned into months, and this is how this man's life have been going. And he got fed up, he was tired. And so one fateful morning when he woke up, something strange happened to him. He told himself, he was awakened in his inner mind. He told himself, how long will I continue to live like this? How long will I continue to cry about the past? It is time for me to start being grateful to God for what is left in my life. And so from that moment, this man had a new routine. He told himself that each morning when he wakes up, he would thank God for whatever that is left in his life. So he started doing this on a daily basis. And then, after a week, guess what happened? An unexpected door opened unto him. As if that was not enough to shock him, he got a phone call from a connection that he has already forgotten about. And so this man's life started turning around for good. And his life started turning around for good, not because life now got easier for him, but because he decided to stop giving up on himself. He decided not to quit. He decided not to give up on himself. And that is why everything now turned around for good in his life. And that is why I am here to tell you in this video that from now henceforth, it can only get better for you. Trust me. If it got better for this man I just told you in this story, believe me, it can only get better for you also. I am very aware that life have not been fair to you. Life have dealt with you. Life have turned the other side of the coin towards you. And it's so painful. It's so disappointing. It comes with bad memories. I am very sure of it. I know it. But I want you to know that all these moments, life dealt with you. But all this did not come to destroy your life. But rather, these pains came to prepare you. I am aware that you always smile, but deep down in your heart is broken. Your heart is bleeding. You have always been encouraging others, but in your quiet moments, you are really battling with your own life storm. And that is why I want you to know that all this and more happened to you, and you are still standing. You are still here. You survived. And that is enough reason to prove to you that your story is not over yet. It is just beginning. Okay? Life does not really reward those that give up. Life did not really reward those that quit. You have really been rejected severally. You have knocked doors and doors were shut towards you. You have been rejected severally. You have been ignored severally. But guess what? Things have started turning around for good in your life. All those doors that were shut against you, those doors are started opening by themselves for you without you stressing yourself. All those people that ignored you or looked down on you, they have started looking for your attention. The pain that you have passed through in life did not come to destroy you, but that pain, those pains that you passed through in life, is what really pushed you to this level, to this moment you are, that things have now begun to rise in your favor. I know life has not been easy, and it is not happening to just only you. So many persons out there are in different situations or the other in life. But I'm here to tell you that you don't have to give up on yourself. Don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on your goals. That you are alive up to this moment proves to you that your story is not over. Your journey have not ended. Though your journey was about struggle, pain, difficulty, regrets. And that is why I am telling you that you don't have to worry yourself about the past, about the shame, about the embarrassment, about the disgrace, about the humiliation. Forget about things that you don't have the power to change and focus on the now. Focus on now because your life have turned around. Things have turned around onto your favor. You are not the same person you used to be, and you will never be again because you have passed that level. You are in a new era, and that is why in this era you are, you don't have any dot of struggle again. All you have in this remaining part of your journey is strength, is peace, is growth. I am aware that you have passed through a lot in life. And because you have dwelled enough in the darkness, that is the more reason why you now appreciate the light that have come to stay in your life. All your life you have been crying. And this moment, it is your season. It is your time to smile, to laugh. You know why? Your time of weeping is over. And this moment is your moment to smile, to laugh without fear. Because everything have turned around onto your favor. There is time for everything. And the time we are now, it is your time. So arise, take your place. Walk in dominion. Walk in boldness. Walk with confidence. Walk with swag. Because your years of struggling, of shame is over. You are in the era where you are the light, and through you, the darkness cannot comprehend anymore. You were in the dark, and that is why your experience in the dark have made you to know that the light that you've come to experience and enjoy is worth appreciating. So this is not a moment for you to think anymore. Remove your thinking cap. Remove your mourning cap. Remove that cap of shame, that cap of pain, that cap of disgrace, that cap of humiliation. Remove it away. Focus on what you can change and what you cannot. If this video really spoke to you, if it makes sense to you, I want you to type it in the comment section that from now henceforth, it can only get better for me. And if you believe this, that your life have gotten a turning point from this moment, do not keep this video to yourself. Share it with as many persons as you can so that others will be liberated, so that others will be saved, so that others will also hear this message and they will have a renewed hope. This is Simplicity in Peak channel, where we say it raw. There is no pretense here. We hit it the way it is because we want to learn from our experience. We want to get the life lessons from our struggles, from our difficulties, so that we can help ourselves and we'll be able to help others. Do not forget to like this video. I have other great content like this in this channel, and if you have not watched them, I want to encourage you to check them out and watch them because I believe you will like it. I am Dora Bob, your girl. I feel life for you. I don't feel life for you now. You know you are my person. You are my one and only person. I am here because I know you are there. If I can do it, then you can do it better. Take good care of yourself. Until next time, always remember that from now henceforth, it can only get better for you. Love you. Bye bye.